What's going on, everybody? Ross Ramsey here with RP Elite Motors and Marine. Today I wanted to do a walkthrough of this beautiful 2024 F450 Limited. This is actually not for sale. This is a build that we just did for a repeat customer. This is his second dually. Let's walk through it. We did the 3-inch wicket kit, all done in gloss black. Okay, this is not just a spacer with the OEM spring. This is a full aftermarket spring from Wicked, no spacer. We did the Wicked emblem. We kept it polished right there with great accents, being an all black truck. You can see the 2.0 Foxes right here. We'll slide to the wheels. Beautiful 24-inch JTX wheels. We powder coated these in gloss black. We left the inlay in a polished finish, JTX forged. Same with the center caps, did the spike lugs. Came out great. These are 37 1350 24 Toyo MT. That's the best big tire in the market, in my opinion. This truck drives amazing. We'll slide over here. On the 3-inch kit, you can see we have the 3-inch radius arm drop downs from Wicked, factory radius arm with the armor plating from Wicked, done in a gloss black. And then slide up here. This is typically a polish finished on the Limiteds. We actually did this in a wrap like we do a lot, so this is wrapped right here. We'll go back up to the mirror, sanded the mirror down, did a gloss black mirror, zero texture, looks freaking amazing. Right here on the side emblems, everything black, everything sanded down. These are just silky smooth, how they should be. And the same with the door trim right here, all done in black. All right, we'll go to the rear. Again, those big dual 37 1350 24 Toyos, black JTXs with the beefy stance. You do have the 2.0 Fox shocks in there. And then you gotta be loud, buddy, when you hit the horn. So here we go. Did a big train horn kit right here. We rigged this to his auxiliary switch and his horn, so he can use it however he wants. It's loud as heck. The guys in the shop hit it last night and scared the hell out of me. All right, so the tailgate right here, we did everything gloss black from the handle to the plaque to the emblem. And with this, of course, being a Limited, you got to keep that in polish to let you know if you're rolling up on this black truck, you got to see that Limited right there. All right, we'll slide up to the grill, let you see this. Just did a complete paint to match on the grill. All this done in black. We did all the inners right here, from the fog lights all to the plastics to the tow hooks, all done in the gloss black. We kept the factory texture on the valence, and we kept the factory bumper insert right here with the factory texture, so they accent each other well. And then on the sides right here, the W for Wicked on the emblem, it does great to the inlays of the JTX and polish and the inlays of the center cap. It all hits, it all makes sense. We did do a dual Wicked steering stabilizer kit right there that you can see that tuck up nice behind this valence. Like I said, the truck drives great. So that'll do it for the walkthrough of this in-house build we did on this 24 F450 Limited. Our shop is staying extremely busy. We have another lift being put in. We have another any level build going on, and I can't say enough about how busy the auto build side of our shop is. So this is a happy customer. This is going back to the DFW area. Like, subscribe to our channel. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.